What's up, squad? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this piece right here. Super vintage, squad. From World War II. So you can see Chicago Federal Electric Company, Inc. Now let's go ahead and crank it. Show you guys what it does. Here goes. Be sure to like, subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching SUV Bullies.